I had the opportunity of working with a handful of amazing South Texas children's book authors and illustrators, and I started out this business as a t-shirt designer and screen printer, so I felt that I had the skills to make shirts for us, and I think they turned out pretty good. We all agreed on the design and we got the shirts made. I kind of wish it wasn't just like a solid print, but it is what it is. Anyways, they turned out super cute and we had a great summer. I can't wait to have our reading road trip 2026 planned and ready for next year. Stay tuned for all those details. Also, if you'd like some great quality direct-to-film transfers, you need to check out Freestyle Tees, and I'll have a link in the description below.